Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 lines about the state Kerala. Let's start. First line. Kerala is a coastal state in southwest India. Second line. This state is also called the land of coconut trees. Third line. It is because the coconut trees are here in plenty. The fourth line is, it is the cleanest state of India. Next line. The capital city is Thiruvananthapuram or Trivandrum. The sixth line is, the official language of this state is Malayalam. Next, the seventh line. It is the least corrupt Indian state. Next line, that is the point number 8 is, this state produces 90% of the nation's rubber. The ninth line is, the economy of this state is dependent on bamboo and handloom industry. Last line. The state is doing an amazing progress in education and cleanliness.